Hey there, welcome back to Product Critique,
the channel where we dive deep into the latest tech to help you make informed buying decisions. Today, we're taking a closer look at the Silicon Power US75, a mid-grade Gen 4 NVMe SSD that's been making waves in the market.
Let's see if it's worth your hard-earned cash. First off, let's talk performance.
The US75 boasts some solid numbers, with sequential read and write speeds maxing out at a blazing 7,000 megabytes per second. That means lightning-fast load times for your games and applications. And with a Maxiomap 1602 controller under the hood, you can expect reliable performance day in and day out. Now, one thing to keep in mind is that the SSD market is more competitive than ever. But despite facing stiff competition, the US75 holds its own with excellent power efficiency and solid all-around performance.
It's a great choice for the everyday gamer looking to upgrade their storage without breaking the bank.
Speaking of price, the US75 comes in a range of capacities, from 500 GB to a hefty 4 TB. At the time of this review, the 2 TB model sits at a very attractive price point, making it a tempting option for those in need of ample storage space. With a 5-year warranty and up to 600 TB of write endurance per terabyte of capacity, you can rest easy knowing your investment is protected.
Now, let's talk software. Silicon Power offers a handy suite of tools, including cloning and recovery software, as well as the SP Toolbox for drive management. It's a nice bonus that adds value to an already compelling package. In conclusion, the Silicon Power US75 is a practical choice for the everyday gamer. With its impressive performance, efficient design, and competitive pricing, it ticks all the right boxes. Whether you're upgrading your laptop, desktop, or even your PS5, the US75 has got you covered. So if you're in the market for a reliable SSD that won't break the bank, definitely give the US75 a closer look. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique.
Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more in-depth reviews like this one.
Until next time, happy gaming!